Hey guys, I'm back and got a little shorts for you guys. So I got this HHR, possibly the ugliest car ever made, similar to the PT Cruiser, for free. And it's a 2008. The engine made so much noise, I wouldn't have trusted it to cross the street. So bad. Just I wish I would have recorded it. I took it apart. But anyway, did a little investigating, drained the oil, saw that there was quite a bit of silver color coming out. Well, it's pretty indicative of something seriously wrong. But check this out. See if I can show it to you without hiding the light. Look how much play is in these rod bearings. Incredible.